Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve unfortunately Google Play Store has stopped error. So let's get into it. Number 1. Restart your phone or tablet. One of the easiest ways to fix most Android problems is to restart your device. The idea behind it is pretty simple. If an app or a background service on your phone is causing Google Play Store to crash, restarting the phone would clear it off and put the device in a new state. Number 2. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If you are continually having problems with the Google Play Store or app downloads, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. It's best if you can connect to a Wi-Fi network. If you don't have access to Wi-Fi, make sure you have a strong mobile data connection. Number 3. Clear cache. If Google Play Store won't work, you should try clearing the cache for Google Play Store on your phone. In case you are wondering, clearing the cache will not remove any files or apps from your phone. It will only delete temporary files that could be causing issues with Play Store. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.